Hello, this is Jackie with JNN Reviews, and today I am very glad to talk about this sample provided by Home. Thank you, Home, for the hair strong gummies. This is how the packaging looks. It has 60 gummies, and the serving dose is 2 a day. So you have a month supplement here, and I just love them. They look so cute. They look like heart shape. This is how it looks. Two of these a day is what you need, and it has a flavor of strawberry. It has vitamin B12, biotin, zinc, and it has 20 calories um, for the two gummies. So here are some nutritional facts that you can read, and it has biotin, folic acid, it has zinc. I like them. They have clean ingredients. They're vegan gummies. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. I'm looking forward having a strong hair. Thank you for watching my video.